Navigating the complexities of manufacturing requires a powerful ERP solution. Let's discuss how it can transform your operations.
We're facing issues with inventory tracking and frequent production delays, which is impacting our delivery times.
These are common challenges in manufacturing. An ERP system can provide real-time visibility and streamline your processes. Our ERP software can help you manage inventory more efficiently, automate production schedules, and ensure quality control across all stages.
How does it work in practice?
Here's how the real-time inventory tracking works. You can see stock levels across all warehouses, set automatic reorder points, and get alerts if there's an issue.
That would really help us avoid stockouts and overstock situations. What about the implementation? We're worried about downtime and the learning curve for our team.
We handle the entire process, from data migration to staff training, ensuring a smooth transition with minimal disruption. With this ERP system, you'll see a reduction in operational costs, improved productivity, and faster decision-making. It's designed to scale as your business grows.
That's exactly what we need to stay competitive.
Let's get started. We'll ensure your manufacturing operations are optimized for the future.
Looking forward to it.
Revolutionize your manufacturing operations today. Connect with us to see how Absolute ERP can empower your business.